So I'm doing a knife comparison, and at the same time I like to have a little apple snack, and at the same time I like to do a video just to show you some tips and tricks and techniques. So here we go. I've got two identical knives. Can't tell you the manufacturer. However, this one is stainless steel alloy, and this one's old school high carbon steel. Notice the rust on the blade, and I just cleaned it. So they both are nice knives. These ones have a riveted handle and a full tang, kind of medium heavy knife. Pretty cool knife. So this is the same knife, it's just made with a slightly different metal. So anyway, I'm going to test these babies out here today on this apple. Selecting one of my tools, I might use a few of these awesome little carving tools. If you need to get the tools, just visit your sponsor there. So follow along. First thing I like to do sometimes is remove the core. Using an apple core, it's not my favorite tool, however it does work, and since it works, well, we might as well use it sometimes. Often hard to get the damn core out of the tool, so I got a little trick I devised there. You just kind of go back and forth like that. Oh yeah, nice apple core. Okay. Okay, so I was thinking of just taking this pointed carving tool and doing a little bit of lines down this, just to make this a more interesting apple. Kind of a knife test, apple snack at the same time here. Apple more attractive, but also a little easier to eat. Removing a little of the skin here, okay? So a real quick test here. First I got the high carbon. Let's try it out. Three consistent slices. You can see them, they're all the same thickness there. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing with the stainless steel. Oh, that one went a little easier. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So I like the finish of the stainless steel. It glides through a little bit easier. And here's the 3 consistent slices with the stainless steel. So yeah, there we go. That's just the knife test right there. Which one do you like? Tell us why in the comments. Some people are really into these carbon steel, and the stainless steel is a little more modern. However, there's a purpose for everything. They do both sharpen very similarly. I would say the high carbon might take an edge a little bit quicker. This is a little bit harder blend of steel. The Rockwell hardness is a little higher. But basically, I just want you to leave a comment and tell us what you think. And thanks for watching. Have yourself a beautiful day. And get cooking. Yeah. Very simple garnish. It's nice because you can go so thin with this knife. Maple edge grain, all thicknesses, made in USA. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, Even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Have a great day.